Hello and welcome. You should now know the basics of being able to create content inside of Basecamp as well as to be able to organize it. You know how to invite team members. You know how to post discussions and create to-do lists. You know how to bring in the files and text documents to be discussed among team members. And you know how to manipulate and control items on the calendar to keep everyone on track. You also know how to create and use templates so that you can repeat successful projects and borrow elements from projects that you have done in the past. However, there are a few things that if you learn them, you'll be able to be even more productive with Basecamp, such as working with groups, working with clients, and working with individuals that are outside of your team, as well as integrating with popular applications that you're already using. Once we do that, we'll be ready to walk through an entire live example of a product launch on Basecamp. We'll even discuss a strategy for using Basecamp that will allow you to make the most of your storage space as well as your team's activity. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in the first video.